Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius, fire sign. This is weekly reading January and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see your messages and what's going on Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Three of Pentacles, someone is coming back to work on this relationship. Some reconciliation is coming in your way, Sagittarius. Yeah. Three of Pentacles, working together, and this person want partnership with you because right now maybe you are in separation with your person. That's why your person want to come back to you. Yeah, Three of Pentacles. They really want to work on this relationship, Sagittarius. So let's see your reading, recent past, Four of Pentacles, Six of Wands, and Capricorn, the Devil. So definitely there is some obsession is going between you and your person. You may be obsessed with your person and your person may be obsessed with you. For some, you both are obsessed with each other. There is some obsession is here. Four of Pentacles, maybe you are not talking to your person right now. You are holding back your feelings. Six of Wands, but you are getting success in your career life. You are more concentrating on your career and you are getting recognition for your hard work. Yeah. But there is some obsession. Maybe you are thinking about your person. What going right now is Seven of Wands, Five of Wands, and Page of Swords. Maybe spying is going between you and your person. Maybe you spying on them on social media. They are spying on you on social media. There is a lot of drama is going between right now you and your person. Five of Wands and Seven of Wands. I think one person is very defensive in this connection right now. Maybe it could be you. But some spying, some communication. There is some communication is going to be happen, some message. Future energies, Three of Swords, Death, and Knight of Cups. Yeah, you are undergoing some transformation. Right now you are very heartbroken. You are missing them so much. Sagittarius, you are heartbroken. See. Then you are undergoing some transformation. Scorpio, the person involved in this connection could be. But they are coming back. I think it could be past person. They realized your worth. They are missing you so much because you are in separation. They're coming back and they have so much love for you. Knight of Cups is here. They want to offer this cup of love to you, Sagittarius. So I think there is no equal give and take. This could be on and off connection, on and off connection. I think the one person who investing a lot in this connection could be you, Sagittarius, because there is no equal give and take. You only the person always giving in this connection. But now your person realized your worth. Now they are coming back to offer this love to you. So the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Scorpio, or Capricorn. There is some obsession. Maybe you are obsessively thinking about them, or they may be obsessively thinking about you. It could be anything. Under the deck, Three of Pentacles, reconciliation. They're coming back for reconciliation. And for some, you are right now concentrating on your career. You are working hard towards your goals and careers and you are making more money. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going on. And Six of Wands, your person may be very successful, very popular person, and they are very attractive also. And they also want success in this connection. So let's see your person current feelings, Sagittarius. Then we will see their actions. So Sagittarius, your person current feelings. Under the deck, King of Swords. Maybe they want to give clarity, some communication. Maybe there is no contact between both of you. Maybe your person resisting the communication between both of you. They don't want to communicate right now. but they want you back. They have strong emotions for you, Sagittarius, for sure. For some it could be a new person also coming to you, but I think it's a past person. Yeah, they know there is no equal give and take. You only the person always investing in this connection, because Six of Pentacles, maybe your person lied to you, cheated on you for some, and your person is very abundant, Nine of Pentacles, and they thinking about you that you are very abundant person and you have so much lot of abundance. Yeah, they're trying to manifest you back again in their life. The Magician, they're in manifesting energy, they are manifesting you back in their life, and they're thinking about equal give and take. Yeah, Six of Pentacles, they know there is no balance in this connection. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. So let's see the near future actions towards you, Sagittarius. Your person near future actions towards you. Yeah, they're going to be make some decisions. And Knight of Swords, yeah, rushing. They're rushing towards you. Some communication, yeah. Maybe they don't know, they're in so much confusion, they want to communicate with you but they are unable to communicate. Maybe there is some resisting, there is someone or something resisting them to come towards you, because they are feeling sad for the missed opportunity with you, and they're literally feeling sad and thinking about you a lot, Sagittarius, Nine of Swords energy. And when they are alone, they're thinking about you. And the Judgment, they're going to be make some major decisions. Sagittarius, yeah, they're going to be make some major decision. Judgment is here. So the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I think they are going to be choose you. They are making their mind right now. Maybe they are right now. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you and they are missing you so much. Nine of Swords energy, they are thinking about you and missing you so much. Yeah, they're feeling sad without you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Three of Wands, Six of Wands. Yeah, they want success in this connection and maybe they are waiting for the right time, and this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states, because Three of Wands, waiting game is going between you and your person. Maybe your person waiting for the divine time. And under the deck, Three of Cups, they want reconciliation. Yeah, they are wishing for reconciliation with you. Yeah, separation, cold shouldering. Maybe right now you are concentrating on your career, still juggling. There is some juggling going between you and your person. You both may be juggling because these are the outcome of connection. So yeah, cold shouldering. Maybe they are not treating you well. Maybe they are not treated well in past. And Eight of Pentacles. Yeah, you are concentrating on your career. You are working hard toward your goals and you are making money. And you also want this connection to work out. What I'm getting here, Sagittarius. For some, your person ready to work on this relationship. They are waiting for the right time. Yeah. So what I'm seeing here, the outcome, I think waiting in divine timing. And one thing for sure, they're missing you so much. They have so much love for you because Nine of Swords and Knight of Cups is here. And they're feeling sad for the missed opportunity and some major decisions. So let's see your overall energy, Sagittarius. Temperance, yeah, you are in your control. You are very grounded. This is your reading and this is your card, Temperance. The Fool, brand new beginnings. You started something new in your life and your person want new beginnings with you. And yeah, you stand by your power. It's your card. You are very attractive. Page of Pentacles. Some communication is going to be happen. Your person want to send some message. Communication and apology could be. Wow. So let's see your person overall energy. Sagittarius. Again, Knight of Swords, they're rushing towards you and maybe they did something wrong to you. They know that. Seven of Swords, sneaky energy, they want reconciliation. And Knight of Wands, they are very passionate about you. I think this is an on and off connection, what I'm getting here. There is no consistency. Maybe your person want when they will come when they want, they will go when they want. That's type of energy what I'm getting here. Now they realize you both. They know they did something wrong to you. They want reconciliation. Yeah, they're rushing towards you to communicate with you. They want to come towards you, but in divine timing, because the Temperance, Three of Wands, definitely they want success in this connection, Sagittarius. Let's see message from universe for you, Sagittarius, from Moon Oracle deck. The answers you need are coming. Wow. Definitely if you are having any questions and you want answers further, definitely those answers are coming. Yeah. Especially when full moon in Gemini, you will get your answers. So this is the message from universe. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.